Hi, this is Danielle Lowe. I'm just going to go over the homework that is due in my classroom for the week of September 19th. So for September 19th, and it's on the calendar that you should have in your child's folder that goes home every day, it says draw a picture of your teacher, practice writing Miss Lowe. And then it says if your child needs help, feel free to use a highlighter for them to trace. So what I would do with the children in their homework journal, I did it on a loose leaf just to show you, I would have them at first ask them on the piece of paper, just write the date on the top like we do every day, and then have them draw a picture of me. And the picture could just be, chances are it might just be a head. Normally when they're writing the first stage is they'll make a head with arms and legs, which kind of makes me look like an M&M. So if they draw something like that, I would ask them some more detail, like, oh, you forgot to give her hair. So this way they could add some more hair. What about her nose? And they can add a nose. When they start drawing pictures, just ask them, oh, you forgot something, and just be silly. So this way they keep on adding more detail. Research demonstrates that the more detailed their pictures are, the more detailed writers they're going to become. So, you know, keep it fun. You know, if they seem like it's been a long day and they're tired, we take what we can get, but at the same time I try to push them to their full learning potential. And then afterwards, I probably would just use a highlighter or a yellow marker and just write Miss Lowe. And when you're writing it, just write M-I. Talk about each letter as you write them, and we call this a finger space. So M-I-S-S finger space, Lowe, L-O-W-E. And I usually say M-I-S-S-L-O-W-E. So it's a song that I do in school that they usually will learn how to spell it because they're always asking me how to spell my name. So that's for the 19th. The 20th, I say sing the ABCs with your parent. And usually they'll say L-M-N-O-P. They think is like 1 or 2 letters, so just L-M-N-O-P. The 21st, draw a picture of yourself and write your name. And for each homework, I try to differentiate in what the expectations are for each child. So if your child is struggling writing their first name, that's what we're going to focus on to begin with. So for example, I'll write the date here, and that's hard to see, but I wrote Miguel in highlighter. If Miguel's having a hard time writing the word Miguel, his name, his first name, that's all I'm going to focus on. So he'll write Miguel 3 times. But you will have to trace it each time. And if his hand is shaky, that's okay. That's normal. We have to strengthen those fine motor skills. And I'll also put a video on with different activities that help to strengthen the muscles in their hands so that they're less shaky when they're writing. If your child is already good at writing their first name, then you want to extend it to their first and last name. So on here I wrote Jose Rivera. So for some kids, at the end of the school year, I usually will have them, my goal, I try to have them write their first name, their middle name, and their last name. And some children have hyphenated last names. So the expectation is a comfortable push for where each one is. And then we'll just keep on working up. Once Miguel can write his first name independently, then I'll introduce him to his last name. But I don't want to overstimulate him by giving him too much when he's just trying to get a grasp to begin with. And the 22nd, oh, I'm sorry, the 22nd was writing your name. The 21st is drawing a picture of yourself. So that's for the week of the 19th. I try to keep it under 3 to 4 minutes. So if you have any questions, please feel free to contact me anytime. And thank you. Have a great day.